Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover from depression with Talkspace, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin recovering from depression, it's crucial to acknowledge your feelings. Understanding that it's okay to seek help is the first step. Visit the Talkspace website to explore therapy options. Choose a plan that fits your needs, whether that's individual therapy or couples therapy. Create an account by providing your basic information. Complete a questionnaire to help match you with a suitable therapist. Take your time with this assessment for the best possible match. After submitting the questionnaire, you'll be paired with a licensed therapist. Review your therapist's profile, including their specialties and approaches. Schedule your first session at a time that works for you. During your session, openly communicate your feelings and experiences. Your therapist will guide you through understanding your depression. They may suggest various therapeutic techniques to explore. Utilize messaging between sessions to stay connected and seek support. Set realistic goals for your recovery journey with your therapist. Practice self-care activities regularly, such as exercise, meditation, or journaling. Stay engaged in the therapy process and be patient with yourself. Track your progress to recognize improvements over time. Continue to lean on your therapist for guidance and encouragement. Remember, recovery is not linear, and setbacks can happen. It's vital to continue prioritizing your mental health every day. Reach out to friends or family for additional support when needed. Over time, you'll begin to feel more like yourself again. Celebrate small victories along the way to stay motivated. Stay open to adjusting your therapy approach as your needs evolve. Ultimately, know that recovery is possible, and you don't have to go through it alone. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.